Hello, good morning. It's Miss Lee. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and we will be working on week 3, day 4 in your packet. This is another day of working with theme. So before we start, I want to remind you very quickly, here's our anchor chart that we use in the classroom. Theme is also considered the message of a story or the moral or the lesson. So it's what the author wants you to learn about life. Sometimes it is stated or told, and the author tells what the theme is at the end of the story. Most fables, that's the case. But sometimes the lesson is implied, which means that you have to use events from the story to understand or find the theme. Common themes that you'll come across while reading are themes about friendship, being a good friend, having compassion for other people, to never give up, being responsible, having courage, accepting others, respecting, kindness, honesty, perseverance. And a lot of times it'll say, or you can ask yourself, what did the character learn in this story? And what is the author trying to get me to understand? So if we take a look in our packet for today, it's going to begin on page 128. This is lesson 8, still part of lesson 8. And it wants you to look at these words to know as you're reading. Sights, things that you see, and gain means when you get something. The monkey and the peas. This is a folk tale from India. So you're going to read about the monkey and the peas, read the passage, and then on this page it's asking you to think. Think about what you learned in the reading of the monkey and the peas and answer the questions. Question 1 has 2 parts. Part A, why does the king visit another country at the beginning of the story? So here's where you need to read the answer choices. Go back to the beginning of the story, which will be right here. This is the beginning. And answer why the king went to visit another country. Circle your answer. And then part B, write the sentence from the story that you found that helped you answer the part A. This up here. So write the sentence that helped you know the answer. Number 2, read the following sentences from paragraph 7 of the story. Read these 2 sentences. Now, what does the word foolish mean in this sentence? So what I always do is I try to take these word choices they're giving me and substitute it for the word. So I would say, I would not be like this foolish monkey. I would not be like this helpful monkey. I would not be like this clumsy monkey. I would not be like this silly monkey. Or I would not be like this careless monkey. He lost everything while trying to gain so little. Then you're going to go on to number 3, and you'll read this paragraph. And it's asking you to circle the word that best helps you know what the word disappointed means. So up here, you'll circle the word in this paragraph that helps you to know what disappointed means. Then number 4, which event from the story is most important to understanding the central message or the lesson? Number 5, which sentence from the story best tells why the king goes back to his own country after watching the monkey? Please make sure you are pausing the video and you're answering the questions as we go. And also make sure you're looking back into the story to find your answer. And now it's going to ask you to write you are going to fill in this chart to tell the most important events in the story. So, why does the monkey climb down the tree the first time? Go back to the story and look up the answer, and then you're going to write the answer in this box. Why does the monkey climb down from the tree the second time? Your answer goes in this box. What does the king think about the monkey? Write your answer in this box. Why does the king go back to his own country? Write your answer in this box. Then number 7 says, the king learns an important lesson from watching the monkey. What is the lesson or central message of the story? Use your information from this chart up here to help you write your answer. Remember to restate your question. What is the lesson or central message of the story? The lesson of this story is, and you put your answer and give evidence from the text. So the king said, or the author said. And there's more space for you to write on the next page because if you're adding details or evidence from the passage, it will take up quite a bit of space. And then it has a learning target here. How do the important events in a story help you figure out the lesson or central message? And that concludes your day for reading work for Thursday. And then tomorrow is a pretty lengthy lesson. So I am going to be calling you all today, video chatting, so I can check over your work and make sure that you're getting your work done and seeing if you need any help with anything. Remember, you will be getting grades on this reading work, so it's very important that you take your time and do your very best work. I'll be talking to you all later. Have a great day. Bye.